Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to show you this 2021 Bennington 23 RSB. I apologize about the canvas not being on that bimini top yet, but was really excited about this boat and wanted to go ahead and get a video and pictures up on the website for everybody to see. This boat does have the ESP tri-tune package with the center tube fuel tank, and is powered by a Mercury 250 horsepower V8 motor. We did the metallic silver panel with that lower midnight black stripe and the blackout railing package. Really a beautiful boat. Accented nicely with the silver Syntax interior, carbon diamond pressed accent, and silver seagrass flooring. One thing I love about the R's is this very plush pillow top seating with the flip down armrests and USB chargers. These cup holders are portable, so you can move them throughout the boat. A built-in cooler underneath the bow starboard side front seat. Great seating arrangement. You get this really nice wraparound L-shaped style bench with rear lounger and armrest. Then, if you're wanting to kick back and relax, the swingback seat flips inward and you have a nice large rear pad with an extended wraparound deck and a place for your ski pylon pole. What rear pad would be without a couple nice cup holders, stereo remote, and USB chargers? And of course, for when you're back here swimming, we've got the LED lit rear fascia and rear firing speakers. With any boat of this caliber, we do have the LED lighting package in it, where the cup holders and speakers will light up an assortment of colors and brightness with the RBG controller knob over there. Rockford Fosgate Bluetooth stereo system. Simrad dash that will be a chart plotter, GPS, and display all your engine stats on it. And with that V8 Mercury, we did do the power steering with DTS electronic controls. Talk about smooth as butter shifting. Really hope you guys can come by the dealership and check us out. We still have a good selection of boats in stock, and we're inside in a nice climate controlled showroom, so no matter the weather, you can look in comfort. Thank you all very much.